What up everyone? How is it going? Today I'm going to show you how to get this somewhat glamorous, glassy look. So starting off, we're going to be using highlighter as our main base just on the high points of our face. So cheekbones, nose, high points and other places like that. Then mixing two foundations to get my perfect match, which is the Nars All Day Luminous Foundation and the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I'm doing a 1:4 ratio in drops. Applying that all over my skin and then blending it all in with a damp beauty blender and spreading it down on my neck. Then going in with my favorite Bobbi Brown full cover concealer, I'm just applying that to my under eye area and blending it out with the same sponge as before. Then going in with this Garbo and Kelly contouring kit, I'm taking the darkest shade, which I actually have never had to use before, but this is the most tan I've been in like a decade. I'm using that for my contour today, so just my usual contour and then getting right under the apples of my cheeks, but not in my smile lines, just to really give a fuller cheek look. Then carving out my jawline and all blending it out and pulling it down on my neck once again so we get a seamless blend. Then taking a little bit more, I'm just applying it right to my hairline to even out my contour. Then with a lip brush, I'm applying that contouring cream color to my nose in the usual contour pattern that I do, which gives a button nose effect. So if you create that pattern, you will, like I said, get a button nose effect. Then just buffing and blending it out with some clean tools. Then I'm taking this illuminating bronzing stick, which I rarely use, and I'm just applying that to kind of warm up that contouring shade a little bit more and give more of that glassy, illuminated effect to the skin, and blending it out with a clean side of my beauty blender. Then going in with this VDL cream blusher, which I've been obsessed with ever since I got it. You guys, I absolutely love it. I'm applying a little bit, like the smallest amount, with a foundation brush and just patting it into the skin in the areas that I want to look like I'm naturally flushing, which includes the cheekbones, chin, the bridge of my nose in the center. And that is all for that. Then for eyebrows, I've also been loving this new VDL eyebrow pencil that I recently got from the new store launch in Toronto. I absolutely love it. This is in the gray brown color, and for me, I've always loved a cooler tone eyebrow shade. Don't ask why, I just do. Then topping it off with a thick, dense layer of brow gel. Then going in with this Colourpop shadow, I think it was in Sea Stars. I'm using that in my transition shade with a really loose small blending brush and just applying it around the circumference of my eyes and leaving the lid clear. Then going in with the shade Conundrum, I'm applying that directly to the lid area. Then taking this VDL eyeshadow, I think it's called Galactic, I could be wrong. All the colors will be linked in the description box below. I'm topping that over the brown shade I put before because it gives this beautiful iridescent glass look. Then taking Etude House's Tear eyeliner in the rose gold shade, I'm putting that on the inner corner. Then taking this Excel quad palette and taking the glittery brown shade, I'm using that to create a lengthening eyeliner effect in a cat eye. I'm using a medium glitter brown because I don't want it to be like heavy or too dark. Then taking the lightest shade from that same quad, I'm highlighting my brow bone and taking these really old fluffy eyelashes. I applied them, don't know what brand they are, couldn't tell you. Then going in with this Eyemania mascara to do my lower lashes. And then of course to set it, I'm going in with this VDL translucent powder, which I'll be honest you guys was causing me cystic acne, so I don't know if I can recommend it. And then taking this Klara Cosmetics liquid lipstick, I'm applying that, which is a beautiful coral shade, then topping it off with this BYS glitter lipstick topper, which gives another beautiful glassy iridescent look to the lips. And then of course we need to glow even more because this is a glamorous glass makeup look. I'm just highlighting the areas of my face that I did the highlighting base on. And there you have it, you guys. That is my glamorous, glassy look. I hope you guys liked it. Remember to thumbs up if you did. Comment down below if you love really glowy looks. And of course subscribe if you want to see more makeup tutorials, skincare reviews, and all that jazz. I'll see you next time. Bye!